Beneficial Juggling presents Multiplex vs. Stack. Let's start with Multiplex. Use your pointer finger and your thumb to separate the two balls. Throw them up side by side so they go up and come down at the same time so you can catch one in each hand. Multiplex to start your columns pattern or cascade is a great way to amaze your friends. My favorite version is with 5 balls, where you can have continuous throws of multiplexes. Now it's time for the stack. For the stack, you will throw the 2 balls up at different heights, from one hand to the other hand. The top ball will be stacked on top of the lower ball. At first, you may catch both balls and then start your juggle, but if you want to continue without stopping, catch the first ball and throw it back up into the pattern. With stacks, you could juggle 6 balls just like it was 3. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll happily get back to you. Check out the next video, number 8, where we work on penguin catches. Click the link down below. What is beneficial juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.